So aside from the PureFlow, there's two methodologies. There's two methodologies from doing dialysis, and this is the second. These are called express hanging bags. There's multiple components here that go into it. Everybody's prescription is different, so the number of bags that you use will vary depending on patient to patient. So I use 8 bags. So I have to take them out of the box. I have to bring them in here. I have to hang them. And I have to connect them. So like hanging them is the first component to this. And then you have to get these connections here. And you connect these, like they have like these octopus tubes here. And you connect them to each bag. And gravity, the fact that the bags are hanging like this, gravity is going to push all of this fluid inside my body and out through the waistline here. So the method is very similar to the PureFlow, but for me, if you ask me, I hate the PureFlow. Like I hate it as a machine. I'd prefer to do this. It's a little bit more involved. There's a little bit more work involved when you have to hang each bag and take them out of the box. But I prefer this. This is pure. This is foolproof. Like I'm having an issue with the PureFlow now. There's an issue with the control panel. It's not working, and this is foolproof. Like there's no way that this could fail. There's no electricity involved. It's just you hang the bags and gravity does the rest. So in order to get the fluid, so all of this fluid here in all of these bags here are gonna go into this bag because they're connected here. So all of this fluid is gonna flow into here, and you connect the cartridge to the bag. And that's when like the cycling and the pumps in the cartridge here pushes all the fluid inside my body, cleans my blood, and then it's eliminated as waste. None of this is fun for me, but if you ask me what I prefer, PureFlow or hanging bags, I prefer hanging bags every time. Like I said, they're foolproof. There's no outlets or anything that you got to plug in. You just hang them and go.